If you're looking for best handheld sewing machine, this video is for you. Here are a collection you gotta see. Let's get started. Number 5. QuQu's Handheld Sewing Machine. The QuQu's Handheld Sewing Machine is a practical and portable tool that brings convenience to your sewing tasks. Its mini size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and use, allowing you to sew curtains, hanging items, handkerchiefs, aprons, pillowcases, and more with ease. One of the standout features of this handheld sewing machine is its versatility. It empowers you to bring your DIY ideas to life by enabling you to sew various items, adding a personalized touch to your creations. Whether you're sewing small clothing, toys, or making simple repairs like fixing pants or skirts that have suddenly come undone, this machine proves to be a valuable companion. The QuQu's handheld sewing machine offers flexibility and power options. It can be powered by 5 batteries or connected to a USB port, providing convenience based on your specific needs and resources. This ensures that you can start sewing without any hassle, whether you're at home or on the go. A notable feature of this machine is its low-noise operation, which allows you to sew without causing disturbances or distractions. This makes it suitable for use in various settings, including your home, workplace, or while traveling. The simplicity and portability of the QuQu's handheld sewing machine make it an excellent choice for basic home sewing needs. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and its user-friendly design ensures that even beginners can use it with ease. It provides a simple and efficient solution for quick sewing tasks, saving you time and effort. While the QuQu's handheld sewing machine excels in many aspects, it's important to manage expectations regarding its capabilities. It is designed for light to moderate sewing tasks and may not be suitable for heavy-duty projects or thick fabrics. However, for everyday sewing needs and small-scale projects, it proves to be a reliable and convenient tool. In conclusion, the QuQu's handheld sewing machine offers convenience, portability, and versatility. Its mini size, ability to sew various items, multiple power options, low-noise operation, and user-friendly design make it a valuable tool for home sewing tasks. Embrace your DIY spirit and enjoy the simplicity and portability that this machine brings to your sewing endeavors. Number 4. Isfriday Handheld Sewing Machine. The Isfriday Handheld Sewing Machine is a practical and convenient tool for all your sewing needs. With its lightweight design and portable nature, it proves to be a reliable companion for on-the-go maintenance and emergency sewing situations, whether at home or during travel. Weighing only 290 g/378 g and measuring approximately 21 cm x 3.5 cm x 7 cm, this sewing machine is easy to carry and operate with just one hand. Its compact size allows for effortless storage and quick access whenever you require immediate stitching solutions. One of the notable advantages of the Isfriday handheld sewing machine is its versatility. It can be used on various fabrics, including silks, denim, wool, leather, and crafts. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, whether you're working on simple repairs, craft projects, patchwork, or even basic embroidery. It empowers you to create your own handkerchiefs, aprons, gloves, cloth items, pet clothes, and more. Operating this mini sewing machine is a breeze, making it accessible to both beginners and professionals. Simply align the fabric with the flat edge and let the machine automatically move along the stitching line. Its simplicity saves you time and effort compared to traditional needle and thread methods, ultimately saving you both time and money. The Isfriday handheld sewing machine incorporates user-friendly design elements that enhance the overall sewing experience. It features 4 thread set points, allowing for easy disassembly and rethreading. The adjustable mounting plate adds further convenience, ensuring a stable and comfortable sewing process. It is important to note that the Isfriday handheld sewing machine operates using 4 AA batteries, not included, eliminating the need for wires and providing greater flexibility in its usage. In summary, the Isfriday handheld sewing machine offers a lightweight, portable, and versatile sewing solution. Its compact size, wide range of fabric compatibility, simplicity of use, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for quick repairs, craft projects, and more. While it may not replace larger, more advanced sewing machines, it serves as a valuable tool for on-the-go sewing needs. Invest in the Isfriday handheld sewing machine and enjoy the convenience and efficiency it brings to your sewing tasks. Number 3. QuQu Handheld Sewing Machine. The QuQu Handheld Sewing Machine offers a perfect portable design that is both lightweight and compact. With its ergonomic design and easy-to-carry features, this mini sewing machine is a convenient solution for on-the-go sewing needs. Whether you're at home or traveling, it proves to be a helpful companion in resolving sudden thread breakage or tackling minor sewing problems with ease. One of the key advantages of this handheld sewing machine is its versatility in power options. It can be powered directly by 4 AA batteries, allowing for cordless operation. Alternatively, it can also be connected to a power supply using the included USB cable. This flexibility ensures that you can use the machine even when batteries are not readily available. The power switch on the back provides a convenient way to switch between battery power mode and USB power mode, depending on your specific needs. The wide range of applications and ease of operation make this handheld sewing machine suitable for various sewing tasks. It can handle fabrics, garments, pants, jeans, t-shirts, curtains, and wall hangings, providing versatility in its usage. Even beginners can easily operate this machine, and it can be an excellent tool for children to learn and practice sewing. It encourages hands-on creativity and can be used to sew small clothes, handkerchiefs, and more. Please note that the cloth machine on the sewing is for factory testing and not used for actual sewing. The QuQu Handheld Sewing Machine makes for a practical gift option. It is capable of resolving small sewing problems and can be a thoughtful present for friends and family. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the usage of this mini portable sewing machine, the customer support team is readily available to assist you. In conclusion, the QuQu Handheld Sewing Machine offers a compact and convenient solution for various sewing needs. Its portable design, dual power modes, wide range of applications, and user-friendly operation make it a valuable tool for quick fixes and small projects. While it may not be suitable for heavy-duty sewing tasks or thick fabrics, it serves as an excellent addition to your sewing toolkit. Purchase with confidence and enjoy the convenience of this practical sewing machine. Number 2. Ahed Handheld Sewing Machine. The Ahed Handheld Sewing Machine is a practical and portable solution for quick sewing needs. Whether you're at home, traveling, or simply want to make a small repair on the go, this handheld sewing machine offers convenience and ease of use. One of the standout features of the Ahed Handheld Sewing Machine is its portability. With its compact and lightweight design, it can be easily carried and used wherever. This makes it ideal for emergencies or when you don't have access to a traditional sewing machine. Its cordless operation further enhances its convenience, eliminating the need for power outlets and allowing for greater flexibility in its usage. This handheld sewing machine is designed to be faster and easier than using a needle, making it a time-saving and money-saving tool. It provides precise control over stitching with the rotary wheel adjustment, allowing you to achieve the desired stitch length. The tension control feature enables you to adjust the tightness of stitches, ensuring optimal results for different fabrics and sewing tasks. The inclusion of a fastening plate adds to the efficiency of the Ahed handheld sewing machine. This plate securely holds the fabric in place while stitching, preventing shifting and ensuring more accurate results. This feature is particularly helpful when working with delicate or slippery fabrics, as it enhances control and reduces the likelihood of errors. The compact size and lightweight construction of this handheld sewing machine make it easy and convenient to carry. It can fit in a bag or drawer, making it readily available whenever you need to perform quick repairs or stitching tasks. Its portability makes it an excellent choice for travel or on-the-spot alterations. While the Ahed handheld sewing machine excels in many aspects, it is important to manage expectations regarding its capabilities. As a compact and portable option, it may not offer the same level of precision or versatility as larger, more advanced sewing machines. It is best suited for basic sewing needs, such as small repairs, simple projects, or quick alterations. In conclusion, the Ahed handheld sewing machine provides a convenient and efficient solution for on-the-go stitching. Its portability, precise stitching control, tension adjustment, and fastening plate contribute to its effectiveness. If you're looking for a compact and lightweight sewing machine for basic sewing tasks, this handheld option is a valuable addition to your sewing toolkit. It saves time, money, and offers the convenience of quick stitching wherever you may be. Number 1. Singer Handheld Sewing Machine. The Singer Handheld Sewing Machine offers a portable and compact solution for quick sewing needs. Whether you're traveling, attending an event, or simply need to make a small repair at home, this handheld sewing machine provides convenience and ease of use. One of the key advantages of the Singer Handheld Sewing Machine is its portability. With its compact size, it can be easily carried in a bag or purse, making it ideal for on-the-go stitching. The machine operates on 6V4AA batteries, eliminating the need for a power outlet and allowing for greater flexibility in its usage. The simplicity of this handheld sewing machine makes it suitable for basic needlework on clothes and fabrics. It can handle small sewing tasks such as repairing seams, fixing hems, or attaching buttons. While it may not be suitable for intricate projects or heavy-duty fabrics, it serves well for quick fixes and lightweight materials. The Singer Handheld Sewing Machine is easy to operate, even for beginners. With its cordless design, there are no tangled wires or limitations on maneuverability. However, it is important to note that the stitching quality may vary, and it may require some practice to achieve consistent and even stitches. In summary, the Singer Handheld Sewing Machine provides a convenient and portable option for quick sewing tasks. Its compact size and battery-powered operation make it ideal for on-the-go stitching. While it may not be suitable for complex projects or heavy fabrics, it serves well for basic needlework and quick fixes. If you're looking for a portable solution for simple sewing tasks, the Singer Handheld Sewing Machine is worth considering. However, if you require more precision or durability, it may be beneficial to explore other options,